Hey everyone, it's Ryan with SacramentoAppraisalBlog.com, and today I have a special chart template for you. I want you to look like a rock star for in front of the people that you're sharing information to, okay? And so I have a simple way where you can quickly plug in information and crank out some stuff on a consistent basis where you're telling the story of your market, okay? And so here's kind of what I created. Mine is a different color, it's blue. And it's just a quick way to share some regional price stats, or here's something with a bunch of neighborhoods. And so think about what can you share to your client base? What would be important on social media? And is there something you want to put out there consistently that you can organize in a very clean manner? So let me take a few minutes and explain this, how it works. It's very easy. In this template, you can download this Excel template in the description or from my blog, no problem. And here's how it works. Basically, you could put a title here, and it could be, I mean, whatever you're going to say, Sacramento, median price trends. And in this case, I have it set up. I was comparing January 2012 to the current market in February 2021. Now, honestly, I thought it'd be interesting to just, calculate how has the market changed since the very bottom to the top, to right now where we're at. And so, but you could honestly take last February and compare it to this February. So this category up here, you could change it to, February 2020, and then just get the stats and plug them in. Okay, and so here's the cool part though. So you change the city and area. It could be city of Folsom, Sacramento, and I'm just pushing return Rancho Cordova. Maybe it's a 95824 zip code. I mean, you can just add in a ton of stuff, whatever you think is relevant. Now, this might look really busy, it kind of is, but trust me, I've learned over time that people love information like this, and it's actually very, very user friendly. People like a chart format. Sometimes line graphs are really confusing, okay? Here's the awesome part though. And so, say in the city of Folsom last year, the median price was 575,000, and then this year it's 632,000. I'm just making that up, okay? Here's the thing. This you all you have to do is enter in column C and D, and it does the math for you. There's a $57,000 change, and here's a 9.9% difference. Okay, and you do that all the way down. Okay, and so at the bottom, it's really easy. Just put the source. Where did you get the information? And so for me, I usually it says like source, and then it'll say Sacramento Metro List, single family homes. No condos. I don't usually include condos in my data, and I always put my website down here. You want people to know where did the information come from and who put it together. Okay, but so sounds easy, right? Very cool. I'll teach you how to make an image in just a sec. But here's something else down here. Now imagine you had um, a particular neighborhood you wanted to report on every month, okay? And so I'm just going to say Rosemont neighborhood trends, okay? And maybe I put, February 2021, okay? And so let me change this column to February 2020. But let's say I don't want to just report on price. I want to report on a few things. So median price, average, you know, average sales price, days on market. Let's see, how about sales volume? And how about cash purchases? There's so many things I could report on. You make the categories, and it's so easy to pull this information through your MLS. But so you have all your price trends, but let me show you how, because you're going to have to format this differently if you choose stuff that's not price. So days on market. So say last year it took 40 days to sell in February 2020, and then this year it took, you know, um, 16 days to sell. Okay. Now, I have this formatted to be currency, and so it's really easy to change. You have to do this once and then save your template from then on. Okay, you right click in that cell, I go to format cell, and then I'm going to go up here. You see how it's on currency? I just click number, or I could probably even click general, but I'm going to click number and then OK. And then it says 40, it removed the dollar sign. And I'm going to do the same thing here, format cells, go to number, and voila, we're good. And one last thing here, format cells, okay, number, okay, we're good. And perfect. And so that just shows that, look, it took 24 less days to sell. That's, and we're gonna have to change this here. We're gonna have to put like difference or something instead of dollar change. But then here, look, the percent change is 60%. So these are cool stats. You could say it took 60% less time to sell this year compared to last year at the same time. Okay, these are totally made up numbers, but again, this can be really powerful to communicate the market. Now, how do you save these? Well, what I would suggest, have a snipping tool on your desktop. Super easy. Check this out. This is free on a PC. Um, Apple, I'm sure, has something too. And so I go down here and I could just, try to grab it. Okay, get that perfect there where possible. Oops, I didn't maybe get it. Okay, no, I got it. Okay. And then I go to File and Save. Okay. So I hope that was helpful. And I hope it's useful for you. And I hope that you're able to tell the story of your market. And if you have any questions, let me know. But if you like this, give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see what you do with this. If you do something, please email me. I love when people use the stuff I create because that's exactly what I want to do. So go excel in expertise. Thanks, guys. Appreciate your time.